Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Sunday, what is it, March 13th or 14th. I've been working all day. I had to finally just quit and take a break. Sun came out. Well, just back there is a lady turning left, and she's on the wrong side of the street. She's not over there, she's over here turning left, and the sheriff pulled right up there and got his lights on and just got her sitting right there. Some people are just not real smart. Maybe those kind of people should never be driving. If you're driving on the wrong side of the road, you know, on a road like this, you shouldn't be driving. But anyway, I need some wind therapy. Get some fresh air. We went out this morning and did a COVID. We had to do COVID test, my wife and I, because my mother's in a nursing home, so we have to have a COVID test. And I think this nursing home will last 14 days. The other one she was in only lasted 7. So every 7 days we had to get a COVID test if we wanted to go see her. But now this is 14. But it's still a pain. Still a pain to have to go do this all the time. I can't wait till this crap is over. This stuff's been going on over a year, about a year now. So it's just awful. Awful, awful, awful. I hope all of this COVID stuff is just going to be a distant memory. We'll say back. Do you remember back in 2020 and 2021 how everybody was stuck at home and people? Oh, I know. Our new home that we're building up there, we've got to know a couple of the neighbors, and one of them emails my wife and says, "Hey, you know, we knew they were framing." I went up last Wednesday and they were really framing the house, but apparently they started framing the shop. So apparently there's metal rafters up in our shop, in my shop now. So I'm really excited about that. So my wife took off Friday, and I don't think the weather's going to be good this Wednesday, so I won't go up on that. But she wants to go up and check it out on Friday. So we'll go up Friday, spend the night on Friday night, and hang out on Saturday too. And just it's fun to go up there and see all the progress. But the shop is exciting for me. That's what I'm buying it for. is a big shop where I can put all this stuff in and not be tripping over everything. So we'll go up Friday and check it out. Bye.